Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to add alert in TradingView when buy or sell signal that you set have triggered your entry point or even stop loss point. So first you need to go to the top menu panel and you can just press alert, create alert on BTC USD. After that you can set your settings. When the price cross this current price, you can set for this price. For example, now price is 60,900. You can set to 59000. If the price touches this 59000, you can have your alert so that you can know what you can do next for your trading. After that, you can just make your customized message and also your alert name. And you also can set the expiry date of this alert. Next, you'll go to notification. You can send notification using the mobile apps. Make sure that you have the mobile apps on your phone. And also you can show pop-up and even also send email towards your email so that you are notified when the price touches your alert point. And that's all for today. Thank you.